Hey guys, welcome to frankstechhelp.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at another cool product from Banggood.com, Banggood.com. This is the G600 Mechanical Keyboard. I'm just going to go ahead and crack the box open here. Righto! So here we have our little install manual, drivers, stuff like that. So here we have the keyboard. It's a very nice, it's heavy. I mean, this thing weighs like a good probably 6 or 7 pounds or so. Flip the little stands up here, and it does have a USB connector back here. We'll go ahead and hook up the cable. I already like the setup of the back of this right here, because this right here, you can take the cable any direction you want to go. If you want to go straight out, or you can bring it down off to the side. I usually put mine on the side of the mouse right there, so I'll go ahead and prop this in right there. Has a nice little cable lock system going on there. Pops in through here. Nice and secure around the corner there, like that. So there we have that. Now it does come with an additional bag of keys in black. So the nice part about this is, for my purposes, like if you play video games and stuff and you're used to using, you know, WSAD keys, control, I do crouch, voice communication, various things like that, you can actually change these keys out. To change the color, you could actually put all black and then just have your game keys in red if you want. So it's nice to have that option. You can kind of differentiate things. We're on my video editing system on my Mac. I could, you know, have all black and then have my function keys in red as far as what I do. So anyway, very cool setup. I like this keyboard a lot. It's going to get a lot of good use. So anyway, I'll post more information below the video, and let you guys make some comments or ask questions or whatever. As usual, thanks for watching Frank's Tech Help. Peace.